Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. It's box braids. I think we'll be releasing hair tutorial every week or every second week depending on the number of clients I get to do and if I can schedule them within my academics. So in this video basically I'll be doing hair tutorial, showing you details of how I box braid, because I've had a lot of questions, especially on Instagram, where people ask me like how do I braid, the details and everything, because they're like the braids are so neat. So in this video I'll just be sharing some of the tips that I use when I box braid, and be sure to read them as the video continues because I'll just be writing them down. Stay tuned. So now, as you can see at the back, the hair is very short, so I had to take small braids because now it would come off fast and we don't want that, because she told me specifically that she wants the braids to last for like a minimum of a month. So I'm not gonna do the detailed video of the box braids. I'm just gonna show you parts of it, maybe a braid or two where I show you like the detail of how I box braid. But yeah, let's get to it. So as you can see here, you first start by taking the hair, then wrap the fiber around the hair, then you separate it according to the size you want. It should be evenly distributed between the three strings that you're gonna use. Then you just braid it like that. That's how I get neat braids. This is the method I use, because some people like braid going inside, but I prefer braiding coming outside. So yeah, that's how I do it. So as you can see, this one is very detailed. I braided it slowly so that it shows the detail of how I actually braid. With the others, I'll just be like fast because I feel like this one shows all the details.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.